Are you tired of wandering aimlessly in the gym, feeling like your efforts are going nowhere? What if the secret to breaking through your fitness plateau was simpler than you thought? Many of us start with the best intentions, documenting every set and repetition, but soon ditch the notebook for a rough mental plan. This shift might be the reason you're not seeing the results you want. Imagine training for years, sweating it out, but still gaining weight and not adding muscle. It's frustrating, right? I was there too, until I discovered the power of detailed documentation. Studies show that those who write down their goals are 42% more likely to achieve them. This isn't just a theory, it's backed by science and real-life success stories. Think about Olympic athletes. They have clear, specific goals. They don't just aim to run faster, they aim to win gold. Are your fitness goals just as tangible? Instead of comparing yourself to the seemingly perfect bodies on social media, focus on your own journey. Use fitness trackers to set clear, personalized goals. Tracking your calories can be a game changer. Studies have found that those who count calories can lose up to 3 kilograms more than those who don't. It's all about the details. Logging your activities can also help you find balance. For example, tracking the calories burned during a swim can help you adjust your intake and stay on track. Accountability can take your progress to the next level. Sharing your goals with a friend and sending weekly updates can significantly increase your chances of success. So, are you ready to ditch the guesswork and get serious about your fitness journey? Remember, the devil is in the details, and your success is just a logbook away.